Many people think that chiropractic care is simply for people with bad backs. While we do help people with back issues, chiropractic care is much more. Chiropractic can help with ADHD, allergies, asthma, auto accidents, lower back pain, upper back pain, bedwetting, carpal tunnel, colic, ear infections, fibromyalgia, headaches, pinched nerves, PMS, pregnancy, sciatica, scoliosis, slip disc, stress, whiplash, as well as general wellness. At Schnipper Chiropractic Center, we offer the finest chiropractic care, utilizing state-of-the-art chiropractic techniques, corrective exercises, teaching you special blueprint exercises to strengthen and correct your unique challenges, lifestyle advice to coach you on activities to do differently or to avoid altogether in order to maintain a healthy life. We also offer nutritional counseling as well as massage therapy. At Schnipper Chiropractic, not only do you get a friendly staff, comfortable environment, but the expertise of Dr. Schnipper, where he lives by the motto that a spine is a terrible thing to waste.